Hi, this is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru, and today I'm going to use a cliche. I feel the need for speed. Um, I was at the Googleplex in May of 2017 getting some training, and Google is hard on the case for speed because mobile devices often have their cellular network. They're not as fast as they ought to be, and the data is coming in. And this is, 64% will not return to a mobile site that performs slowly. A 1 second load sees an increase in conversion of 27%. I mean, these numbers are just amazing, and you lose off at 5 seconds, down on page views, down on conversions, 105% increase in bounce rate. Speed on the mobile version of your website is absolutely critical, not only because you're losing users and potential sales and potential click-to-call inquiries, you're also losing out in SEO. I'm going to include this diagram below so that you can download it and print it out in your office. Now, here I've used SEO or Moz in the past. Moz is talking about page speeds, what it is, SEO best practices, and how the signals are used in the algorithm. And they're talking about things like enabling compression, minimize CSS, JavaScript, HTML, reduce redirects, leverage browser caching, improve server response time, use content distribution networks, optimize images. If you actually look at the vocabulary there, this is technical geeky stuff. It's really not how your website actually looks on the phone or how it looks on your desktop. It's things that are in the code that sits behind it that determine how quickly it renders. And Google has a tool called PageSpeed Insights. I use it often when people ask me, hey, what do you think about my site? And I'm thinking about doing AdWords or doing some SEO. I go, hold on. Before you do any of those activities, you need to work on your speed elements. And of course, I put AussieWeb directory into Google Speed Checker, and it tells me on the desktop I'm not too bad. I'm 89 out of 100. That's pretty good. But heck, even for me, we make mistakes, and on mobile, we're only 73 out of 100. But it's one of the few sites that Google has where they actually give you details. So they say render blocking, JavaScript, CSS, how to fix it. They give you detailed instructions. Leverage browser caching. Again, detailed instructions. This is a free tool. Your web developer can run this on your site, make changes, run it again, and see the improvement. 14% reduction, 13, 16, 13, minify the CSS, 23, 23, compress the HTML. And then it tells you about things that optimization needs. And basically they're saying, hey, from a user experience and an optimization point of view, no redirects, you've got compression enabled, you're doing a bunch of good things, but these are specific elements that we can now go in and change and make our site faster. I feel the need for speed. We got to make it fast. More and more people are using their mobile devices to access the internet. They're not always on Wi-Fi. Sometimes they're in 4G and sometimes even slower in 3G. So we need to get this right. If we don't want to lose conversions, we don't want to miss phone calls, we don't want to miss engaging with our customers, these resources are 100% free. The tools are available. Get your web developers to make these changes and have a fast mobile website so you can get the sales and the inquiries you want. Thanks for listening. Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru.